In an age where every organization is essentially a data organization, managing thousands of documents across various assets can pose a significant challenge. Each asset is represented in many documents such as drawings, calculations, specifications, and standard operating procedures. They may be needed in multiple projects at the same time. Each stakeholder needs the right information at the right time. Are you facing difficulties meeting strict governance and compliance standards because of scattered and incomplete documentation? Outdated revisions and inaccessible documents can lead to safety risks, downtime, and financial burdens. Accruent asset information management systems provide a single source of truth in today's complex engineering, project, and operational environment. Imagine a world where all your technical documents converge in one central hub, stored either on-premise or in the cloud. Accruent solutions empower companies to enhance the security and overall quality of their mission-critical documents, revolutionizing how you access and manage documentation. Robust search engine deftly navigates your extensive document repository, surfacing the most relevant and crucial information. Advanced revisions management ensures you always work with the latest, most accurate, approved versions. Seamless integration? Our engineering document management systems sync effortlessly with maintenance systems, ensuring a smooth flow of information. And with asset document relations, they ensure maintenance engineers will see essential documentation, improving safety and compliance. Managing industry-standard CAD formats, including their interdependencies, as well as legacy documentation. Or take it one step further with our 3D BIM visualization, transforming your technical data into a vivid, interactive experience, elevating your understanding and decision-making capabilities. Welcome to streamlined, efficient, and stress-free document management. Break down information silos, reduce accidents, and provide 24/7 access to your critical documents.